Good afternoon to all, and welcome to today's class. I hope you all are doing well. As we all know that time is very precious, and time is the only thing in our life that never comes back. So we should always value our time. And we are learning the tense, which is related to time. हम टेंस पढ़ रहे हैं और वो टाइम से समय से रिलेटेड है. We were yesterday discussing and we learned that present, past, and future tenses we will be learning because these three phases of time are very important while we speak. जब हम बात करते हैं, जब हम बोलते हैं, तो प्रेजेंट टेंस, पास्ट टेंस और फ्यूचर टेंस, ये तीन जो टेंस के फॉर्म्स होते हैं, ये इंपॉर्टेंट होते हैं. पर यही हमारे नॉर्मल जो कन्वर्सेशन है, नॉर्मल जो टॉक्स होते हैं, उसमें यूज किए जाते हैं. ताकि वैसे टेंस के 12 फॉर्म्स होते हैं, तो हमें वो 12 फॉर्म्स में जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. हम सिर्फ सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, सिंपल पास्ट टेंस और सिंपल फ्यूचर टेंस ही प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. तो ये कॉमन है और कन्वर्सेशन के लिए यही ज्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट है. So, my name is Rina Lewis, and once again, I welcome you all to today's class. But today, we will be learning about the use of do and does. ये दो important words हैं English language के, do and does. And these two words are related to simple present tense. So we will see that where we will use do and where we have to use does. When we use does, जब हम does use करते हैं, तो जो main verb का form है, वो always stays in the first form में रहते हैं. I'll show you the slide and explain to you. Now see, do के साथ में I, you, we, they, these, those, ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं आई, यू, वी, दे, ये जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, इनके साथ में वो यूज किया जाता है. एंड डस जो है वो ही, शी, इट, दिस, दैट, ये सब जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, इनके साथ में डस यूज किया जाता है. सो यू मस्ट रिमेंबर दैट इंग्लिश इज जस्ट अ लैंग्वेज एंड कम्युनिकेशन इज एन आर्ट. कम्युनिकेशन एक आर्ट है and it's a skill and it can be developed. When we focus on communication, because we are here to learn spoken English, so we have to focus on communication, and it is a skill that can be developed by our practice. We have to train our mind. हम अपने mind को train करेंगे ताकि we can think in English. We have to think in English. और जो भी हमें प्रैक्टिस करना है वो हमें खुद को करना. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम जिम जा रहे हैं और हमें अपना वेट लॉस करना है और हमारे साथ में दो बॉडी गार्ड्स हैं, वो हमारे टॉवल उठा सकते हैं, वो हमारे प्रोटीन शेक्स उठा सकते हैं, हमें वहां तक पहुंचा सकते हैं, बट अल्टीमेटली जो पुशअप्स होता है वो हमें खुद ही करना पड़ता है, तभी हमारा वेट लॉस होगा. तो इसी तरीके से अगर हमें स्पोकन इंग्लिश सीखना है तो हमें खुद बोलना पड़ेगा. वी हैव टू स्पीक एंड देयर आर डिफरेंट टूल्स लाइक लिसनिंग और रीडिंग. हम डेली एक स्टोरी भी हमारे क्लास में ऐड करते हैं. तो स्टोरी क्यों ऐड करते हैं? स्टोरी हम इसलिए ऐड करते हैं ताकि आप लोग उस स्टोरी को सुने, आप उस स्टोरी को रीड कर सकते हैं. यू कैन डू रीडिंग ऑल्सो ऑफ द स्टोरी. दोस्त हु नो इंग्लिश, यू कैन डू रीडिंग ऑफ द स्टोरी ऑल्सो, बिकॉज दीज टूल्स विल हेल्प यू टू इम्प्रूव योर स्पोकन इंग्लिश. ये आपको इम्प्रूव करेंगे और आपको कॉन्फिडेंस, आपके अंदर कॉन्फिडेंस लाएंगे. इट विल हेल्प यू to leave all the hesitation and bring confidence in yourself. So today, I believe that you all will speak loudly so that you can hear your voice. आपको आपकी आवाज सुनाई देना चाहिए और आप मेरे साथ में प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. Brajeshwari is writing, I have started speaking English, madam. Hats off to you. Good. Yes. So we will start with the use of do and does. As I said, the words I, you, we, they, these, those, इनके साथ में do use करते हैं. So I'll start with today's practice, shadow practicing session, and you have to listen to me carefully. Listen to me, and then you have to repeat loudly. आपको बोलना है. Okay? Yeah. Are you ready? All of you? I hope you all are ready. No, I'm not ignoring you. Yes. I'll start the practice. Yes. I do my homework every day. मैं रोज अपना होमवर्क करता हूँ. I do my homework every day. I do my work on time. मैं अपना काम समय पर करता हूँ. I do my work on time. I do the cleaning. मैं साफ सफाई करता हूँ. I do the cleaning. You do a good job. तुम अच्छा काम करते हो. You do a good job. You do well in class. तुम क्लास में अच्छा करते हो. You do well in class. We do our best. हम अपनी पूरी कोशिश करते हैं. We do our best. We do our duty. हम अपना फर्ज निभाते हैं. We do our duty. We do exercise daily. हम रोज कसरत करते हैं. We do exercise daily. They do the shopping on Sunday. वे रविवार को खरीदी करते हैं. They do the shopping on Sunday. They do yoga every day. वे रोज योग करते हैं. They do yoga every day. Now few words I'll read for you. Every day, work, cleaning, good, exercise, shopping. Okay. I'll read once again this slide for you. Please listen carefully and try to repeat after me. I do my homework every day. I do my work on time. I do the cleaning. You do a good job. You do well in class. We do our best. We do our duty. We do exercise daily. They do the shopping on Sunday. They do yoga every day. Coming to the next slide, that is, I made slide related to question and answer. So how to use do and what will be the answer, how to give answer. That practice we will be doing here. I'll read it for you. Please repeat after me. Do I know you? क्या मैं आपको जानता हूँ? Yes, I know you. हाँ, मैं तुम्हें जानता हूँ. Yes, I know you. Do you like tea? क्या आपको चाय पसंद है? Do you like tea? You can give your answer. Yes, I like tea. हाँ, मुझे चाय पसंद है. आपको बोलना है. आप आंसर लिख रहे हैं तो साथ में आपको you have to speak. You are writing, along with that you have to speak. Do you have time today? क्या आज आपके पास समय है? No, I don't have time today. नहीं, आज मेरे पास समय नहीं है. जब हम no आंसर में देते हैं, when we are using no while we are saying the answer, we have to use don't. And when we are using yes, to simple yes will come. But while we use no, then the answer instead of do, it will come don't. Do you understand me? क्या आप मुझे समझ रहे हैं? Yes, I understand you. No, I don't like to. Okay, like suppose if you are saying no, then you will say no, I don't like to. Don't आएगा no के साथ. I'll read it once again for you. Yes. Do I know you? Yes, I know you. किसी को अगर नो में लिखे नो में बोलना चाहेंगे नो आई डोंट नो यू. डू यू लाइक टी? यस आई लाइक टी. नो आई डोंट लाइक टी. डू यू हैव टाइम टुडे? नो आई डोंट हैव टाइम टुडे. And if we use yes, yes I have time today. Do you understand me? Yes, I understand you. No, I don't understand you. I hope this part is clear to you, all of you. कि yes और no में कौन कैसे do और don't use किया जाता है. So you all have to practice. One more slide is of the same practice of do. Do they cook? क्या वे खाना बनाते हैं? No, they don't cook. नहीं, वे खाना नहीं बनाते. Do they play? क्या वे खेलते हैं? Do they play? No, they don't play. नहीं, वे नहीं खेलते. Do they live here? क्या वे यहाँ रहते हैं? Yes, they live here. हाँ, वे यहीं रहते हैं. Yes, they live here. Again, we do practice of using the answers with yes and no. Do they cook? No, they don't cook. Yes, they cook. Do they play? No, they don't play. Yes, they play. Do they live here? Yes, they live here. No, they don't live here. I'll come to the next slide. But today, that is related to does. आपको do का समझ में आ गया होगा. You must have understood where to use do and where to use does, and with yes what will come and with no what will come. Now we will practice the word does. Use of does. Does is used with he, she, it और कोई भी names जो होते हैं. It में कोई things आ सकता है. It may be things, even animals can come in it. Okay. So he, she, it और कोई भी नाम रहता है तो उसमें हम does use करते हैं. Okay. Yeah. So does he go to school? क्या वह स्कूल जाता है? Does he go to school? All have to speak. Please listen and repeat after me. Does she like tea? क्या उसे चाय पसंद है? Does she like tea? Does it work properly? क्या यह ठीक से काम करता है? It है यहाँ पे. It यानी यहाँ पे कोई थिंग्स है. थिंग मोबाइल है, मिक्सी है, कोई भी चीज हो सकता है. It. Does it work properly? Does Radha come here? क्या राधा यहाँ आती है? Does Radha come here? Does your mother cook food? क्या आपकी माँ खाना बनाती है? Does your mother cook food? Does he drive a car? क्या वह कार चलाता है? Does he drive a car? Does she play guitar? क्या वह गिटार बजाती है? She है. That's why bajati will come. Does she play guitar? So I'll repeat it for you. Please listen and repeat after me. Does he go to school? Does she like tea? Does it work properly? Does Radha come here? Does your mother cook food? Does he drive a car? Does she play guitar? Come to the next slide. Move on to the next slide. That's activity. Before coming to the activity, let me tell you again that where we have to use he, she, with he, she, it, this, that, इन सब चीजें दिस दैट भी कोई थिंग्स के लिए आता है ना. सो इन सब जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, ये सब जो वर्ड्स होते हैं, विद दैट वी यूज दस. With that we use the word thus. And with I, we, you, they. ये जो words होते हैं, these, those, ये सब जो words होते हैं, इनके साथ में हम use करते हैं do. I hope that this is clear to you. It is you'll be able to understand where to use do and where to use does. आपको ये clear रहेगा कि कहाँ पे हमको does use करते हैं और कहाँ पे हमको do use करते हैं. I hope that it will be clear to all of you. Okay. Now we'll have some fun activity today. This I have just prepared that you have to guess the word. I'll read it for you. आपको भी read करना है. ये जो activity है, ये मैंने इसलिए बनाया है ताकि आप ये सेंटेंसेस को रीड करें, प्रैक्टिस करें और इसके जो आंसर है वो आपको बोलना है। मैं आपके लिए रीड करूंगी, यू हैव टू लिसन टू मी। आप खुद भी रीड कर सकते हैं जोर से, प्लीज जोर से रीड कीजिएगा ताकि यू विल बी एबल टू लिसन योर वॉइस। या फर्स्ट वन इज इट इज ए फ्रूट, इट इज यूजुअली रेड, ग्रीन और येलो, वी कैन ईट इट रॉ, व्हाट इज इट? आपको बताना है। Yes, you have to give the answer. I'll read it again for you. It is a fruit. It is usually red, green, or yellow. We can eat it raw. What is it? Mango, apple. Yes, Shivash. It's an apple. This person works in a school. This person teaches students. Who is this? Second question is, this person works in a school. This person teaches students. Who is this? Yes, teacher. This type of quiz is added in our class or in our session so that you can listen and it will be interesting also for you. You should read it also. You should read it. You can read it. Third one I'm reading for you. You can read it. It has pages. Students use it in class. What is it? A book. Yes. You can read it. It has pages. Students use it in class. What is it? Book. Yes. Coming to the fourth question of today. We use it in the rainy season. It keeps us dry. What is it? We use it in the rainy season. It keeps us dry. What is it? Yes, umbrella, raincoat. Good. The fifth question. This person works in a hospital. This person helps sick people. Who is this? I'll repeat the fifth question. This person works in a hospital. This person helps sick people. Who is this? Good. Doctor. Yes. Good. Read the sixth one. It is a very big animal. It has a long trunk. What animal is it? Yes, Shivash. The fifth one can be nurse, doctor, anyone who helps in the helps the sick people. Now, sixth one. It has a very big. It is a very big animal. It has a long trunk. What animal is it? It's an elephant. Good. It is a very big animal. It has a long trunk. What animal is it? Seventh one. It hangs on a wall or stands on a table. It tells us the time. What is it? I hope you all are enjoying the quiz time. Clock. Very good, Siji. It's a clock. It hangs on a wall or stands on a table. It tells us the time. What is it? Enjoying what we like helps us to be perfect in whatever we are doing. So if you are enjoying the learning, if you are enjoying the process, it will help you to speak confidently. These are the answers. Three more questions I have for you. Yes. The eighth question for today. Students use it for writing. It can be erased. What is it? Yes, Brijeshwari, pencil. Students use it for writing. It can be erased. What is it? We cook food here. We can find a stove and utensils here. Which room is it? We cook food here. We can find a stove and utensils here. Which room is it? Yes, it's a kitchen. Sham, it's a kitchen. Yes, Shivash, it's a kitchen. The last one for today. It has two wheels. People ride it. It does not need petrol. What is it? I'll read it again. It has two wheels. People ride it. It does not need petrol. What is it? It's a bicycle. Yeah, it's a cycle. It's a bicycle. I hope that you enjoyed this part of the learning. You must also have read the reading, which will help you for your spoken English. And I believe that all of you are practicing, all of you are trying to speak, and small, small sentences, small, small words by this time you must have learned, and it may be there in your mind also, and it may be helping you to improve your spoken English. And you may be definitely using the magic words also. Be using the magic words. Try to use the magic words wherever it is possible. Please use them. It will definitely help you in improving the spoken English of yours, and it will also help you to build up your confidence. It will also help you to remove the hesitation. Welcome to the story time today. It's a story related to the lost pencil. I'll read it for you. The lost pencil. Ria was in class. She looked in her bag. My pencil is missing, she said. Her friend Amit asked, what color is your pencil? It is blue, said Ria. Amit looked under the desk. Here it is, he said. Thank you, Amit, said Ria. You are welcome, he smiled. I'll read it once again for you. The lost pencil. Ria was in class. She looked in her bag. My pencil is missing, she said. Her friend Amit asked, what color is your pencil? It is blue, said Ria. Amit looked under the desk. Here it is, he said. Thank you, Amit, said Ria. You are welcome, he smiled. Now the questions for today. What was missing? Yes, the pencil was missing. What color was the pencil? Good. Blue color. Blue color. Where was the pencil? Under the table. Where was the pencil? Under the table. I hope you all are enjoying the learning and you all are practicing. Please share the YouTube channel link with your friends and especially to students, those who are from Hindi medium schools, those who want to learn English. It will be helpful for them. While we are learning, we should spread our knowledge to others because knowledge is something that cannot be stolen. And the more we share with others, we it will increase in within ourselves also. So try to spread the knowledge with others also. And tomorrow again we will be joining at the same platform, the same timing. The videos are being uploaded in the YouTube channel also. Please subscribe and share with others also. It will definitely be helping for those who need to learn English, those who are interested to learn English, and thus they have to give their time for it. They have to spend the price that they have to pay is only the time for their own uh, their own learning, I must say. Okay, I'll come to the quote of the day. The quote of the day is success begins with the courage to say your first sentence. सफलता की शुरुआत अपना पहला वाक्य कहने की हिम्मत से होती है. I'll repeat it again. Success begins with the courage to say your first sentence. And you all have started to say, we all have already said your first sentence. So success is at your doorstep. So accept it and keep speaking, keep learning, keep trying. Definitely you will be able to speak fluently. Thank you for joining. Stay safe. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.